In this video, you'll learn how to clear your eBay search history. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your recent searches effectively and maintain your privacy while browsing. Begin by logging into your eBay account. After you have successfully signed in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Once you tap or click on the search bar, it will open up and display a list of your recent searches. This list is generated automatically to assist you in quickly repeating any previous searches you have conducted. Next, look for the clear or delete option in the recent searches section. Depending on the version of the eBay app or website you are using, you may see a button labeled Clear All or an individual remove icon next to each search entry. This feature allows you to select specific searches that you want to delete or to clear the entire list at once. Once you've identified the clear option, select it to proceed with the removal of your stored searches. After you confirm this action, you should see that the search history list has been emptied. This means that any previous searches will no longer be visible, ensuring that your browsing activity remains private from others who might access your account. It is important to note that after clearing your search history, any future searches you perform will begin to populate the list again. This functionality is designed to help you easily revisit items or searches you've previously shown interest in. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.